In this video, you'll learn how to change the featured image size in WordPress. By following these steps, you will be able to adjust the dimensions of your images to better fit your website's design and layout. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, locate the Sites section. This is usually found in the main menu at the top of the screen. Click on Sites to proceed. After this, you will see a list of sites you've created. Identify the site where you want to change the featured image size. Click on the name of that site to enter its dashboard. This will redirect you to the site management area where you can make various changes. Next, locate the Close button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will take you out of the current editing mode. You may need to wait a moment for the interface to adjust before moving on to the next step. Once the interface is settled, look for the plus icon, which is often represented by a plus sign. This icon allows you to add new elements to your site. Click on it to open a menu of options for adding content. After that, you will need to click on the search option within the menu. This will enable you to find specific elements to add. A search bar will appear on your screen, allowing you to type in keywords related to the content you want. Type in the word gallery into the search bar. This action will filter the results to show only gallery-related options. Once the results are displayed, click on the gallery option to select it for your site. Next, you will see an option to select an image. Click on this to begin the process of choosing an image from your media library. This will bring up a new window showing all the images you have uploaded previously. After this, click on Media Library to access all of your uploaded images. This section will display a grid of images that you can choose from. Select the image you wish to resize by clicking on it. Once you've selected the image, you will see an Edit option. Click on Edit to open the image editing interface. This interface will provide you with several tools to modify your image. Next, look for the Scale option within the editing tools. Clicking on Scale will allow you to adjust the dimensions of your image. A scale input box will appear where you can enter your desired width and height. Set the scale you want for your image, enter the specific dimensions that you prefer, keeping in mind the overall aesthetics and layout of your site. This step is crucial as it directly affects how your image will appear on the site. After entering your desired dimensions, click on the Scale button to apply the changes. This action will resize your image according to the specifications you just set. Wait for a moment as the system processes your request. Next, click on Apply Crop to finalize the changes you have made to the image size. This step ensures that the image is properly cropped according to the new dimensions. A confirmation message may appear indicating that your adjustments have been successfully applied. You have now successfully scaled an image. Your featured image size is updated to reflect the changes you made. This new size should enhance the visual appeal of your site and improve the overall user experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.